Hi everybody, Kat from Creative Crafts here, and today's DIY is how we can make a cute little centerpiece for Easter. And what you need is a good sized glass jar or vase that's a little bit high. You need moss, and you need something like a stick. I got this from my old lamp, which I'm going to stick here, which looks even better. And I'm going to hang some things in there, and I'm going to put some nice decorations in there, some Easter eggs and Easter bunnies. So if you would love to see it, watch further. So everybody, this is a quick and easy, maybe less than 5-minute DIY. And what you need is, like I said, these few things. And I'm going to stick now the moss inside. Of course, you want to break it up to make it look good. You don't want it to look like that big ass block that you had there. And there you go. And I'm going to stick now my little bunny inside. Well, maybe I should stick it more in the back. And now you can put that here, or you can take this, but I decided I'm going to use some of these eggs I had bought. They are glass Easter eggs, see-through glass, and they have a cute little feather inside. And I think that would be really nice to stick them in there. So this is what I want to use. If anybody wants to know in Germany where I got them from Lidl. Not sure if they have them anymore. But right now I don't need the string, so I'm going to cut that off because I'm just going to put them on the bottom here. And I'm going to go like this so you can see just that part. So if you want some color, you can use, I have some other ones here. I can put this on the side, that's glass. You can use something like this. I would just take that off and maybe glue something else on top because that thing didn't look too good. So I'm going to stick my hot glue gun on. Or you can stick something like this on it. They're little wooden things. There's so many choices here that you can have. So I think I found another one that we can use, but I'm just going to cut off that end piece so you just see this. Okay, this one looks good. See, and you do this. You can put that here. And now for the other pieces here, what I want to do is hang them from here. Well, first you need to go here and then go over here. And then you want to hang them and you want to stick this in here like this. And what I want to do is I'm going to just leave it like that. And then I'm going to cut it and then put it in. And I just want to maybe put this one up a little bit higher. So let's put this. So that's good. And what I want to do now is make a double knot. And cut these ends off. There you go. And if you want to put another one, you can. I would just suggest that you either put it the same length, which I'll probably do. Let's do this again. Just play with it and you'll see if you like it or not, how it looks. And if you want, you can also add some lights to it. I have some lights that I bought from Woolworths here in Germany for $1.50, which isn't bad. So stick the lights in. It's one of those wire ones, which I like very much. So I'm going to get some batteries. So what first I'm going to do is untangle the light, and I'm going to take everything out again. Because I want to put the lights in between the moss. So I'm just going to stick it all out. And then I'm going to, like I said, you just take the light and unwind it. It's a lot. You don't need to, so there you go. It's a really long one, which is good. I like that. The lights are pretty small, which is also good. And now we got it. So what we're going to do now is just stick these wires inside. You can mix it up and then add some more. Should have got a shorter one. That's all right. We'll leave it like that. So turn it on. Just keep playing with it until you're happy with it. There you go. And make sure you put the thing that you shut it off and on, make sure you put it in an area like right behind, like this. What you're going to do now is, like I said, you're going to put the rabbit, and then you're going to put the eggs. You don't have to have the lights. And then I'm going to stick this for Ostern. It's Happy Easter in German. And then I'm going to hang my lights, the other things back up. You don't have to use that pot that I just did. I don't like the fact that these eggs clash. There we go. Can play around with it. And there you go. Here's your Easter decoration under 5 minutes. I hope you enjoyed it, like as much as I do. I wish you all a happy Easter and be safe. And like I said, if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to follow me on Pinterest, Twitter, or Instagram and Facebook, I'll have the link on the comment section below. And yeah, and I'll see you in my next video.